Okay, deep breath. Using AI does not mean you've joined the robot uprising. It means you're tired and you need ideas. If you've opened ChatGPT or Gemini and immediately thought, cool, now what do I even type? This is for you. AI is not your ghostwriter. It's your unpaid intern who works very fast and has no personality. Tip one, brainstorming. Let's say I make content about fitness for busy moms. Instead of staring at a blinking cursor, I type, give me 10 TikTok ideas about quick workouts for busy moms. AI says, efficient home-based cardiovascular routines for time-constrained mothers. No one talks like that. But inside that robot TED Talk is an idea. So I tweak it. 5-minute hide in the bathroom workout for moms who just need a break. Same concept, way more human. AI gave me the clay. I made it weird. Tip two, title generation. Now titles. Here's the prompt. Give me a catchy YouTube title about starting a side hustle. AI says, unlock financial freedom through strategic entrepreneurial ventures. I'm sorry, am I a bank? Here's the human version. I tried 3 side hustles so you don't waste your rent money. See the difference? AI gives you the LinkedIn version. You give it the group chat version. Tip 3, outlining. Outlines are where AI actually slaps. Here's the prompt. Create a simple outline for a video about creator burnout. AI gives me, define burnout, causes, solutions, conclusion. Boring, but useful. Now I rearrange it. I almost quit. The mistake I made. What actually helped? If you're here right now, same skeleton, way more soul. Here's the rule. AI is the starting line, not the finish line. If you copy, paste, you sound like a robot wearing lip gloss. If you remix it, it sounds like authentic you. You're not selling out to robots. You're actually using a calculator for your creativity. Let the bot brainstorm. You bring the personality. Because no algorithm can replicate your unhinged little storytelling style. And honestly, that's the whole point. Oh, and be sure to like and follow so that you can become a better creator.